Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions. Find characters with lazy matching. In regular expressions, a greedy match finds the longest possible part of a string that fits the regex pattern and returns it as a match. The alternative is called a lazy match, which finds the smallest possible part of the string that satisfies the regex pattern. You can apply the regex /t and in bracket we have a hyphen z asterisk after bracket close asterisk I and then / to the string Titanic. This regex is basically a pattern that starts with T, ends with I, and has some letters in between. Regular expressions are by default greedy so the match would return this whole portion. It finds the largest substring possible to fit the pattern. However, you can use the question mark character to change it to lazy matching. Titanic matched against the adjusted regex where we put question after the asterisk in this example means question mark is used in general for lazy matching, then it will return the shortest possible answer, in this case which is only ti of Titanic. Note that parsing HTML with regular expressions should be avoided, but pattern matching an HTML string with regular expression is completely fine. Parsing HTML with regular expression should be avoided, and pattern matching an HTML string with regular expression is completely fine. So pattern matching is fine. Task for this challenge: fix the regex. Here we have / in a side angular bracket we have period and asterisk. To return the HTML tag h1 and not the text, h1 winter is coming and h1 tag closed. Remember the wildcard dot in regular expression matches any character. So in this case h1 will match any character, and for that we just put question mark here. So first it will check for h and then any character. It should work. Let's run the test and it's working. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.